Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating a recovery services vault and configuring minimal protections. This is the first actionable step. Once done, enable soft delete so deleted backups aren't lost immediately, and pick retention windows for daily, weekly, and monthly needs. Make sure to assign RBAC roles, backup operator plus any necessary storage blob permissions, so the backup service can access resources. You'll also choose a storage replication option. Locally redundant is cheaper versus geo-redundant for disaster recovery. Next, register the machines you want to protect. For VM, enable the Azure VM Backup extension. For on-premises servers, install the Mars agent and register to the vault. Then create a backup policy that defines run frequency, retention tiers, and instant restore settings. This determines restore point availability. Configure encryption at rest and any network restrictions so backups can traverse only approved endpoints. Once policies are assigned to items, trigger an initial snapshot to validate the configuration. Watch for permission. Now run the backup and monitor the job in the Vault Jobs blade. You'll see progress, duration, and any warnings. Once a successful job completes, perform a test restore to a sandbox or staging VM to validate the process and the data integrity. If something goes wrong, first check agent logs and vault job error messages, then verify RBAC, NSG rules, and storage replication status. Make sure time settings and certificates are correct. Many failures trace back to agent time skew or expired credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.